me Sam Naskar. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the wormhole. So, without any time wasting, let's start today's video. Guys, there are several planets on which scientists are researching since long back. But some of them are situated trillions of kilometers away from the Earth in another galaxy. But can it be possible to leave our Milky Way galaxy? Can it be possible to develop such a high-speed spacecraft that can travel the speed of light? The answer is no. But why scientists are researching on that planet? Is there any possibility of having a route to reach there? The answer is yes. And this route can be a wormhole. Guys, imagine a big mesh. If we place some object on that, then it will bend down due to their weight. Same as like the mass of the space and the time is bent down due to the mass of the star and the planet. The bend or curvature is dependent on the mass of that object. But Albert Einstein also was not able to provide the solution of his equation. The first time the solution was given by the Carl Schwarzschild in 1960. Guys, he counted the exactly amount of the curvature and how it's formed. His formula is represented by the RS equals to 2 into G into M by the C square. He has given us the concept of singularity, that what will happen if the mass will be infinitely dense. The curvature of the space-time was such and the extent that will be pitched off from the universe, and by which scientists was able to discover the concept of black hole, and they also was able to click the first picture. So what I want to mean that black hole is one of the solutions of the Einstein field equation, and the another solution is the wormhole that was jointly given by the Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen. Solution also known as Einstein-Rosen bridge solution. Guys, wormhole is the shortest route in the space through which you can travel millions of kilometers distance in few minutes. Guys, the concept of the wormhole is very easy. There is a few examples for you. So guys, imagine this is a mountain. If you want to go from this place to another side of the mountain, then there is a 3 ways. First way is you can climb up to the mountain and again climb down to reach to the other side. And the second example is you can go by its side or its circumference to go to another side. But guys, these 2 ways will take long time. So anyhow, if we will make a tunnel through in the mountain, then we can reach from this place to other side of the mountain in few minutes. Guys, there is another example for you. Think if you want to go from A to B point, then which is the shortest way to reach there? Simply a straight line. In 2-dimensional shape, it is the shortest way to reach. But anyhow, if I will bend this 2-dimensional shape into 3-dimensional, then you can see a new route has formed. See, I will dig a hole from A. So guys, I dug the hole. You can see it went to B point. So that you can see the shortest route to reach A to B. Guys,
that's the
is
wormhole.
the shortest route in this space, as I told it before. And if you want to travel from our own galaxy to another galaxy, it will about trillions of kilometers away from the Earth. But anyhow, if we will turn our 3-dimensional space into 4 dimension, then we can travel trillions of kilometers distance in few minutes. So guys, you saw many diagram on internet that I have explained it before. But guys, think if any object having extremely high gravity and that thing will placed on the space-time mesh, then it will bend down to such an extent that will open up from the another side. As we know that the wormhole is working at 3D to 4D. It looks like a sphere so we are moving. Now this is a theoretical concept. It has not been practically discovered. But if wormhole will exist, then it can work as a time machine. You can travel trillions of kilometers distance in few minutes. You can reach that place before the light. You can jump from one time space to another time space. But how it will form? Only a black hole is having such an gravity that can open up the wormhole. But what should be present in another side? If there is also black hole, then no one can exit from this channel. So there should be a thing that is negative of the black hole in each and every sense. Instead of attracting, it should be repel everything from it, through which an exit point can be created, and that is a white hole. A white hole is the another solution of the Einstein field equation. In one white hole, no light can enter, so that it is bright in color. First time it was discovered by the Igor Novikov in 1964. Guys, the event horizon of the white hole is acting like as no entry point. No one can go inside it. It is interacting with the outside universe and can't back inside it. Can white hole be exist? Scientists thought that when universe was created, a big explosion was happened and everything comes out from a white hole. According to Stephen Hawking, black hole will eventually vanish when all radiation will leak from the black hole. What will happen to that mass that exists in black hole? According to the conservation of mass and energy cannot be created or been destroyed. So whatever mass is present in that black hole, that will eventually split up from it and create a new white hole. So a white hole is created when a black hole is destroyed. Guys, theoretically this is not possible because it violates the second law of thermodynamics, and it says that the entropy of the universe cannot be negative. For example, I cutted this paper into number of these pieces, but I cannot bring back it from its original shape. Still now scientists does not have any evidence of the gravitational wormhole. I hope in future they will find it soon. From my side, I give you maximum information about it. If you want to know more scientific knowledge, then watch our video. Till then, it's me, Scientist Karan. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share.